I'm here in Fort Lauderdale off of Olas Boulevard. And I've always wanted to rent one of these electric bicycles, or I think I'm gonna do the bicycle. I mean, they have scooters and everything, but I think I'm gonna do electric bicycle today. I'm just gonna mainly be going down Olas Boulevard and also Seabreeze. Just kind of doing a little tour. I'm gonna see if I can also catch one of these two drawbridges in action. I know Florida State doesn't require a safety helmet in terms of when you're riding a motorcycle or a bicycle, but I have mine right here, and so it's just the right thing to do. You never know, it might save your life one day. So with that being said, hey, let's go get to it. Later, baby. So let me introduce myself to you guys. My name is Carlos, so you remember me next time I come. So you can... Carlos.
Oh, Carlos.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you, man.
Nice meeting you too. Pay yourself back. You work hard for your money, so enjoy life. So I'll go around different places, travel a little bit, and just do my little thing.
Ready, wait.
Oh, it's got a little key like a Porsche, huh? How fast does it go?
18,
19 miles an hour? Okay. Oh, nice.
More powerful, faster. Doesn't fold out, doesn't have the speakers, but still chill.
Yeah, I think that's would be more fitting for me.
You have 4 torque power right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the most powerful.
Okay.
1 is a. I would start with 2. 2 is fine.
Okay.
And then be careful with this. This is actually front, whereas in every other machine here in the US, this is back. So be careful. And they are pretty sharp. All right.
Okay.
So just.
What is this one? Is this one rear?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Yeah,
then,
just like a bicycle.
Yeah. And then if you want to plug your phone, you can do it on. Find it, and you can play your music. All right.
Good.
All yours.
All right.
Let me see what time is it.
Big beat knocking, streets keep watching, big things popping. Pee Wee, stop it, won't see me. Probably hit your delete option. Each rhyme on the flat line is heartbeat stopping. Started rock bottom from the hard knockouts and got biz when I clocked in the block. He's dropping, popping. Topic when discussing with the fussing is DJ dropping. Heard I'm buzzing like I'm drunk again. Never had a plan. All I did ran with it. Now we do the end zone dance gigging. Cash ain't trying to brag since you asked if a girl on the rack. Still my last word, period. News flash, everything you do stands little. Triple cash, grow the stash out.